My knee doesn't work anymore. It's just so painful.
Morning, day 3. So it's 7 in the morning. We left this morning around 6, I would say.
Yeah.
And we got 25 kilometers to go, and we're having
A new
friend here. Isabella?
Isabel from Spain.
Isabella from Spain, that we met yesterday on the backpacker. This third day started nicely by crossing beautiful villages. Meeting with other pilgrims and share a part of your mutual experiences is really what we were looking for at most when we decided to engage in the Camino. It's very often to cross familiar faces, and this simply because we're all heading towards the same direction and the stages are more or less defined. Therefore, even if you leave earlier or later than someone you met previously, there is a good chance they will come across over the day. The paved road parading underneath our shoe soles directed us to my new friend of the day, this little puppy. But we continued our way on our own on this beautiful and sunny day, surrounded by the delighted smell of the eucalyptus trees. Okay, so I gathered some more information about the eucalyptus trees. It's mostly used here in the region to produce paper, and the reason why there are so many eucalyptus forests in the region here, that's because the government sponsors planting new trees, and eucalyptus is one of these trees that grows quite fast. A lot of farmers converted their land into new eucalyptus plantations, but there are some drawbacks as well on planting eucalyptus and mostly on biodiversity. Apparently the eucalyptus uses a lot of water, which avoids some other plants to develop, and it seems that the birds also don't nest that easily in those forests. Hola. Buenos días. Hola. Some food refreshment was enjoyed by some hikers, maybe less by the fishes. And yet we arrived in our backpacker in Arzura. Again, very positively surprised by the place, freshly renewed, very clean, and with an extremely friendly owner. So we finished our third day of hike.
We did almost 25 kilometers today.
We are in Azzurra, and it's a city
Famous for the cheese.
It is called small nipple cheese because of its explicit shape. "8:20.
We start really late today.
Just finished the breakfast this morning. We decided to leave a bit later today, given that we are only having a 19-kilometer track today. So we left at around 7 this morning. If you can get the passport out of my backpack.
Looking for a passport to make a stamp.
This morning mist with the sunshine gave us again an enchanting atmosphere. A few moments later, we met with this very special pilgrim, carrying its own backpack and traveling at least double the daily distance compared to us. The way can also bring you to very uncommon places. Looking at the sculptures, essentially made out of empty beer glasses, pilgrims seems to get very thirsty in this part of the trek. For us, It was a bit too early in the morning. It is now time for us to enjoy a delicious tortilla. This wraps up our 4th hiking day. Our knees are still sore, but our new friendships enables us to forget about it. And in order to regain strength, we shared a delicious dinner and had a good night of rest to prepare for the last day of hike and the arrival to Santiago.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video and you don't want to miss next episode,
Please hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and see you soon for the next adventure.